Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at beginners as well as intermediate learners. We will read a story and the title is Tiny Steps in a Big World. I encourage you to stop the video regularly. Practice the vocabulary as well as the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. In a sprawling anthill nestled beneath an old oak tree, a tiny ant named Andy opened his eyes for the first time. The world felt enormous, bustling with ants scurrying to and fro. "Welcome to the colony," said a kind older ant named Elder Tana. "You have much to learn, young one." Andy quickly discovered the roles in the colony: workers, soldiers, and the Queen's caretakers. His antenna quivered excitedly as he joined the workers for the first day of foraging. "Stay close," warned Elder Tana. "The outside world is full of surprises." The foraging team set out at dawn, climbing blades of grass that swayed like giants. Andy marveled at the dewdrops glistening like diamonds. But his fascination was short-lived as a shadow loomed overhead. A bird swooped down, scattering the foraging team. "Scatter and hide!" yelled Tana. Andy darted into a small crack in a rock, his tiny heart pounding. So this is what they meant by danger, he thought. After the bird flew away, the team regrouped. Andy learned a crucial lesson. Unity was their strength. "We survived because we stuck together," Tana explained. Andy vowed to remember this. On their way back, Andy spotted something extraordinary. A massive cookie crumb wedged between two roots. "Look at the size of that!" he exclaimed. The team cheered, knowing it would feed the colony for days. Retrieving the cookie crumb was no small feat. Andy and the others worked tirelessly, lifting and maneuvering it through narrow paths. "Together we can move mountains, or at least cookies," joked one of the workers. When the team returned with the crumb, the entire colony celebrated. The Queen herself acknowledged their effort. "Andy, you've shown great promise," she said, her voice regal and kind. Days later, a fierce rainstorm struck. Water flooded parts of the anthill, and Andy joined the rescue team to save lava trapped in lower chambers. The urgency of the mission made him braver than he ever thought possible. During another foraging trip, Andy fell into an antlion sandpit. He struggled to climb out as the predator lurked below. "Help!" he cried, his tiny legs slipping in the sand. Tana and the team quickly formed a chain, pulling Andy to safety just in time. "Never venture too far alone," Tana scolded gently. Andy nodded, his gratitude immense. The Queen appointed Andy as a scout, which required courage and curiosity. He was tasked with mapping new food sources and alerting the colony to potential dangers. On his first solo mission, Andy stumbled into a spider's web. The sticky threads clung to his legs as a menacing spider approached. "Think, Andy, think," he told himself. Using his mandibles, Andy cut through the web and escaped just as the spider lunged. Panting, he made a mental note to warn others about the web's location. Andy found a tree dripping with nectar. It was a treasure trove, but it was also guarded by aggressive bees. "We'll need a strategy," he thought, sketching a plan in his mind. Andy approached the bees cautiously, offering to share their discovery in exchange for safe access to the nectar. To his surprise, the bees agreed. "You're braver than you look, little ant," buzzed the bee leader. When Andy returned to the colony with news of the nectar, the queen praised his ingenuity. "You've not only provided for the colony, but also forged alliances. Well done, Andy." For the first time in weeks, the colony enjoyed a day of peace. Andy relaxed under a blade of grass, watching the world go by. He felt a deep sense of belonging and purpose. Just as the colony settled into calm, a swarm of invading ants appeared on the horizon. Andy sprang into action, helping the soldiers fortify the anthill and prepare for the battle. Through strategy and teamwork, the colony repelled the invaders. Andy realized how much he had grown since his first day. Tiny steps can lead to big journeys, he thought, proud to be part of something greater than himself. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may reach learners all over the world and assist them in their English learning. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.